Hi, this next video is at the Greenup County, Kentucky War Memorial. I left Louisa, Kentucky this morning and I did a video there, that will be the last video. And then I found an old car. That won't be until another video. That'll be in another video, not this one. And then I found the War Memorial, and it was getting late, about 7 o'clock, maybe a little bit earlier, 6:30. Didn't have a lot of time, so anyway, it was a nice, as you can see, it's a nice video of the War Memorial, the planes, etc., etc. It was very wet out there, so I'm thinking that it must have rained in Greenup, which is kind of odd. Louisa to Greenup is not that far. Probably 40 miles, maybe 45 miles. It's not very far. I know it was only about 30. From Louisa to Ashland is only about 30, so probably 40 miles. It's not really that far. Anyway, so I'm gonna get to it. Okay, I'm here at the Greenup County War Memorial in, I guess, Wirtland, Texas. Wirtland, Kentucky. Okay, here's the Battlefield Cross Memorial. Interesting. Here's a tank. There appears to be a walking, I don't know, a place to walk out here. I'll check it out in a second. There was an old house or an old building on the side of the road I wanted to take a picture of, but I ended up having to pass it. Well, I didn't. I could have turned around, but I just decided not to go back. Anyway, found the old car, and then right down the street from the old car is this. Yep, that's a big tank. Okay. Sure, you know, I'm an idiot. I have no idea. It was like something, cannonball machine? I don't know. Probably an idiot here. There's a big airplane behind me. Let's walk to the back. Oh yeah, I missed the front side of the tank. Wow. Let's walk over here and to the front side of the tank. Yeah. This was definitely, it's been a little rain. Looks like it's a little, oh shoot, it's a little wet out here. Shoot, no, I'm not going to do that. So zoom in. There's another thing, says Greenup County War Memorial. I'm going to walk over there right in front of it, but I don't think so. The grass is too wet. I don't even think well, it must have rained here, but it wasn't raining up in Louisa. Well, Louisa's only like 30 miles away. There's a lot of nice little flowers. Pretty. I'm gonna take some, I'll take some pictures of those in a few minutes. And then let's go over here to all of the, over here to the War Memorial. There's World War I. World War II, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Korean War. They don't call it Vietnam War, they call it Vietnam Conflict. Doesn't make sense. Okay, let's walk over here. There's more plants I can photograph. Oh, I think this is like the other one. Okay, here's an Air Force plane. Okay, here's the front side, the nose of it. Okay. Like I said, I'm not going to step down into the grass. It's kind of wet. I was going to walk the trail, but it's a little bit, I think that the grass is wet. And here's the other side of it. I'm going to get some photos in a few minutes. This is going to make some really nice pictures. And here's U.S. Army chopper. Go to the front. It's a little, oh yeah, it's a little wet. It's a little bit wet. Let's go down here just a little bit. I don't know why it's wet out here. Wow, I don't know if you guys can see, but oh man, let me move back. The seat in there, oh my, you can tell it is completely worn out. Okay, the other side. Oh, it is very wet out here. I'm not sure why. So it wasn't raining today. And here you got the front. And then there's this over here, and I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. And then out in the background I see like a, I don't know, mostly swamp. Huh. No idea what this is. Come back here to the back. Oh yeah. It is made of, I think, wood. Doesn't look like wood. Oh, here. Whatever that is. The floor's a little iffy. Yeah. See, zoom in on that. Okay. And then we'll see. Ooh, darn. Huh, wow. Darn down there. Huh. And then, of course, you can see the background. And out here is, well, an old swampy pond. Oh. And then we'll walk back up the front, walk in the grass. If it's not too wet, I think it's going to be too wet for me to walk it. I have no clue why, but it is wet out here. Very wet, very soppy. I went to step onto the grass and it just sinked under my shoe. Now I gotta wash my shoe off a little bit when I get to the car. That's, well, I know I'm not gonna walk there. I don't want to get my my shoes and feet all crappy because I'm wearing flip-flops. That happened before and I had to like really wash them off, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, there's a gazebo and then I'm gonna head out of here. Well, there's a nice tree. Says right here, the people of Greenup County gratefully acknowledge the sacrifices of all veterans who faithfully serve their country. Okay, here's the gazebo. It's a little, I guess looking at war memorials, my dad didn't live in this county, but it's a little emotional because my dad was in World War II. My grandfather was in World War I. I had an uncle that was in the Vietnam War. So, yeah, pretty emotional. Now here is something that says, see if I can read that. Oops, let's see if I can read this. It says, historic McConnell House was built in 1834 by John McCutcheon McConnell and has been beautifully restored by the Heritage, Arts, Science, and Tourism Commission. Open for a year? Ah, nice. Okay. Here we go. Greenbow Lake State Resort Park. Do not know where that's at. Historic Gilly House was built between 1840 and 1860. Bennett's Mill Bridge. It's nice. That looks like the one that I saw in Tennessee, but that was actually in Tennessee, not down here, and I wasn't up this far. And then there's beautiful lakes, the Redbud Trail. Okay, so very nice. Now, the that map that was back there at the travel center, it had a lot of stuff, but it was mostly like Crystal Gale and Loretta Lynn and Patty Loveless, Dwight Yoakam, some of their, I guess, childhood homes. Well, anyway, I'm gonna leave here now. As you can see, this is out toward, this is nice, it's pretty, sky is very beautiful tonight. Okay, I'm gonna head out of here. It's 7:30, getting close to 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna get in my car and go now. Well, it looks like I missed a few things. Here's the Country Music Highway Museum in Paintsville. That's something for me to maybe explore. Museum, Mountain Arts Center, Prestonsburg. I just went through Ashland. There's the Paramount Arts Center in Ashland. Oh, that's a really old building. I'd have to go back and look. And then there's a Paul Ship Whitesburg. Now I'm headed to, now there's another little map out here. Now I'm headed to my car. This next video slideshow is of flowers that were taken there at the War Memorial. Oh, and I just wanted to say the little white flowers with purple stripes on them are especially beautiful. I really, really like those. Hi, I'm going to conclude this video now. I'm sitting here at a speedway in a little town called Lucasville, Ohio, and it's 10:30 and I need to get back on the road. I have not decided where I'm going to stay tonight. Anyway, there is actually about 4 of these videos. One is the first one, which will already be posted, is the Travel Center in Louisa. And then, of course, this one. And then the next video will be the creepy old abandoned church and the creepy old abandoned road. That's going to be the next video. Anyway, I need to get back on the road. So, as I said, I chopped this into 4. Anyway, I hope everyone, it's Friday night. I hope everyone has a good weekend. God bless. Peace.